My name's Heather Spaulding. I'm the service manager here at Huffman Nissan of Frankfort. The Fix Right First Time Award from Nissan is basically just a recognition of fixing the customer's cars right by diagnosing the vehicles correctly, as well as completing the repairs completely and not having any issues afterwards. It's a great award, and we're really proud to be in the top 10% of the nation. Everybody back here between parts and service all contribute. Steven helps with getting us the parts, making sure that we're getting the right parts. The guys diagnose and repair them properly. Even Chris delivering the information and making sure the customers understand what we're doing.
It just really means a lot, and Fix Right the first time is super important. I mean, that is just fundamental. And we can't be successful without a good service department, a reliable, stable service department, and you all are doing it. So I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.